Okay, so now I am going to explain a problem of projection of plane, and here the plane is hexagon. Okay, so first read the problem. Draw the projections of a regular hexagon of 25 mm side. Okay, the side of the hexagon is given as 25 mm, having one of its sides in the HP. See these things, sides. Okay, and inclined at 60 degree to the VP, and its surface making an angle of 45 degree with the HP. I have written all the given data here. Okay, so first see this thing. This is your hexagon. Okay, if in question it is asked that one corner is in HP, when it will make an angle like this. Okay, so for that case you have to place the hexagon like this, but here it is given that the side, okay, in HP. All right, that's why you have to place the hexagon like this, so that when it will make angle, okay, this edge will rest on the plane. Okay, so now go for the solution. Okay, see, you can only be able to see the true shape of this hexagon from the top. Okay, so see this and see this diagram. Okay, so this thing, initially we will consider that the plane rests on the HP. All right, so just put the hexagon on HP, and if you see this from the top, you will see this shape. In question it is given that this edge is 25 mm. All right, so what is the procedure? Okay, just you have to mark 25 mm. See, first you have to make this line. Okay, see, this is 25 mm as it is given in problem. All right, now as this angle is 120 degree, so you have to place your protector in this point. Okay, and see, this is 120 degree. Okay, so make a line like this. Okay, and here also this angle is 120 degree. Put your protector like this. All right, and see, this is 120 degree. Okay, so mark a point here and join this point with this point like this, and as this is 25 mm, okay, take this distance, put your compass here, make a cut on that 120 degree line, and here also make a cut 120 degree line. So what will happen? You will get 2 points over here. Then you have to make these horizontal lines. All right, then already you have taken 25 mm. Just put your compass here, make a cut on the horizontal line which is coming through OA. Okay, and put your compass here, make a cut. Okay, so that in this way you will get this E and D. Okay, so now join all these points, you will get this hexagon. Okay, now through all these points make vertical lines. As this vertical line coming from B and A, you will get B dash A dash here. As this line coming through C and F, you will get C dash F dash here, and as this line coming from D and E, you will get D dash E dash here. All right, now in question it is given that it will make 45 degree with horizontal plane. Okay, just take 45 degree in your protector. Okay, put your protector here. Okay, and see, this is 40, this is 50, this will definitely be 45. Make a line like this. Okay, take this distance as radius, put your compass here, make a cut like this. Okay, mark this point as B dash A dash, mark this point as D dash E dash. Okay, then take this distance, put your compass here, make a arc. Okay, so you can get this point here. Okay, now make vertical lines through all these points. All right, and horizontal lines through all these points. Okay, so as I have discussed in class that as this is B dash A dash, Okay, so which line coming through this vertical line, okay, and see this horizontal line coming from B and this vertical line coming from B dash. So this intersection point will be B, okay, and this vertical line coming from A dash and this horizontal line coming from A. This intersection point will be A. In this way you will get F, E, D, C, all the points. Just join that points, you will get the projection of the hexagon for this condition. Now in question it is given that the inclined 60 degree to VP. So what you will do, just make this 60 degree line, make this 60 degree line, all right. And I have already told you that you have to mark these, or you have to place this rectangle 1 2 3 4 rectangle here, okay. So just take a point, okay, and then take this distance 1 2 distance as radius, make a cut like this, okay. Name this point 1, name this point 2, then put your compass here, make a 90 degree line, okay, very lightly make this line, and put your protractor on this one also, make a 90 degree line, all right. Then see, this is your 1 2 line, okay, and see this line is perpendicular or 90 degree to this line, okay. So that's why we have made this 90 degree line, okay. Now take this distance, all right, put your compass here, make a cut like this, and put your compass here, make a cut like this on this to 90 degree line, okay. So you will get 1 2, this is your 3, this is your 4, okay. So see, this is 1 4 line, the middle is F, and this is 2 3 line, the middle is C, all right. So this is 1 4, the middle will be F, this is 2 3, the middle will be C, okay. Just identify the midpoint of these two lines and mark F and C there. If you get F, then if you take this AF as radius, and if you put your compass here, make a mark like this and this, you will get AE here. And if you take this distance, put your compass here, make a mark like this, you will get D and B and D here, okay. Just join all these points, you will get this section. Then the process is same, make the vertical line through all these points and horizontal line through all these points, okay. See, this vertical line come from A and this line come from B dash A dash, so the intersection point will be A dash. This vertical line coming from F, this horizontal line coming from C dash F dash, the intersection point will be F dash, okay. In this way you will get all these points over there, just join these all points, you will get this shape, okay. And remember one thing, only these lines and these planes will be dark and all the remaining construction stuffs will be very light, okay.